Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals and some wild animals. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. There are some farm animals and some wild animals. The first wild animal is elephant. Elephant is a big wild animal. This is elephant. The next animal is a tiger. This is a tiger. The next animal is a panda. This is a panda. The next wild animal is a lion. A lion king. A lion is the king of forest. Let's learn some farm animals' name. The first one is a camel. A camel is a farm animal. The next animal is a cow. This is a cow. The next animal is a rooster. This is a rooster. A deer. This is a deer. A dog. This is a dog. A sheep. This is a sheep.